Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Rockfort area. We are in the Kingston 2 area of Kingston. We are on Michael Manley Boulevard and we're going to look at a mega development taking place down here. A 10-story residential building is being built down here. So this entire area is going through a redevelopment basically. The government has big plans for this area because it overlooks the Kingston Harbour. So from Port Royal Street, where they built the revetment wall and the boardwalk, all the way back down to Cement Company, or they plan to extend the boardwalk and fix up that entire area over time. So you have a lot of developments that are coming because of all the work that's planned for down here. So right now we're looking at the development of the Kingston 2 apartments. That's the name of the building, Kingston 2. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this 10-story building. Shoreborn Limited will soon be bringing its 2.1 billion residential development Kingston 2 apartments to market. Located in Bournemouth Gardens, Kingston 2, the 10-story residence, for which ground was broken recently, will feature 119 units ranging from studios to two-bedroom apartments. These will comprise 54 studios, one-bedroom units, two-bedroom units, and two-bedroom super units on the 19th floor, all with waterfront views of Kingston Harbour. Amenities include a gated entrance, 150 parking spaces, an outdoor entertainment deck, ground floor lobby and lounge, roof terrace with a fitness center and pool, an on-site wastewater system, backup generator for common areas, and water storage tanks. BYD Construction is a contractor for the development, which is expected to be completed by the fourth quarter of 2025. In his keynote address, Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness said, globally, waterfront properties are among the highest value real estate. Noting that the government recognizing this has begun to stimulate the development. Along Port Royal Road, we have put in a new revetment, a new seawall. We have increased the boardwalk, and the intention is to do that development coming all the way along this roadway here, Norman Manley Boulevard, going all the way down to Sir Florizel Glasspool Drive, going down to the airport eventually. You are going to have a lovely facility which we can call a leaner park. You can jog on it, just leisure, have meetings, and it will be there for the entire use and benefit of the community, the Prime Minister detailed. He explained that the intention is to pull people to the waterfront in an environment that is safe and gives utility for recreation. Once that starts to happen, it will help to change the character of the area. That, I'm certain, will add value to the development that you're doing, Mr. Holness said. The Prime Minister, who endorsed the K2 residential development, said he is certain that other enterprising developers are looking on to see how it turns out. And if it's successful, East Kingston and Port Royal as a destination for housing development will take off. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So literally everywhere in Jamaica you have construction going on. I've never seen this level of construction ever before at one time in Jamaica. And a 10-floor building in today's Jamaica is average. Average. We have buildings that are 20 floors, 27 floors, 28 floors. I mean, we have 4 towers at 28 floors being built in Montego Bay. 4. That's a level of development going on in Jamaica. So this is great that they are doing this development down here, because the Kingston Harbor definitely is prime real estate. All the land and areas overlooking the harbor, prime real estate. So the government is doing a good job in developing down here. And as you can see, because of what they're doing, a lot of developments are coming on stream. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this development. We will keep you updated. We'll give you update videos every 2 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.